Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best full tower PC cases that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Phanteks Y6 ATX PC case. This mid-tower case offers an impressive design for gamers and workspace enthusiasts alike. Its 270 degrees dual-tempered glass panels provide a clear view of your hardware and setup, making it a visual treat for anyone who appreciates aesthetic builds. The Y6 comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and supports a 360mm radiator, ensuring excellent cooling performance for your components. The design of the Phanteks Y6 is sleek and professional, featuring a matte black finish that complements any desk setup. The snap-on panels are a thoughtful addition, making installation and upgrades a breeze. This case is compatible with GPUs up to 400mm and CPU coolers up to 176mm tall, so it accommodates most high-end hardware configurations. The dual-chamber design improves thermal performance, while magnetic dust filters help keep your build clean over time. While the Y6 offers an elegant design and practical features, it may not be the best choice for users seeking full tower functionality, as it leans more towards mid-tower usability. Additionally, while it includes USB 3.2 and Type-C interfaces, the number of USB ports is somewhat limited compared to other cases in this list. Overall, the Phanteks Y6 is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers or professionals who want a visually appealing yet functional PC case. Its soundproofing tempered glass panels also make it ideal for quieter environments. At number 4, we have the Line Depot H2 Gaming PC case, a feature-packed full-tower option for enthusiasts who want both style and performance. This case comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, ensuring optimal cooling and spectacular aesthetics right out of the box. The 270-degree transparent tempered glass panels let you showcase your hardware and collectibles, making this case a centerpiece for your setup. The H2 is designed with practicality in mind. It supports GPUs up to 420mm, CPU coolers up to 165mm, and a 360mm liquid radiator on top, making it highly versatile for various hardware configurations. The high-speed Type-C interface and additional USB ports enhance connectivity, while the sleek, rectangular design keeps your desk looking tidy and professional. Gamers and DIY builders will appreciate the clever internal layout, which simplifies installation and cable management. On the downside, the H2's design may appear somewhat bulky for users who prefer a more compact setup. Additionally, while its cooling performance is excellent, the lack of advanced dust filtration could be a concern for long-term maintenance. That said, the Line Depot H2 is a perfect blend of style and practicality, tailored for gamers who want a case that stands out and performs exceptionally well. It's a great choice for showcasing high-end hardware while keeping temperatures under control. Coming in at number 3 is the Phanteks C8 ARGB Full Tower PC case. This model provides a seamless combination of design and performance, making it a standout option in the $149.99 price range. The full-view tempered glass panels on the front and side enhance its aesthetic appeal, allowing you to showcase your hardware in style. The dual-chamber layout optimizes airflow and cable management, ensuring a clean and efficient setup. A C8 comes pre-installed with 2 160mm reverse ARGB PWM fans and one 140mm ARGB PWM fan, delivering excellent cooling performance. It supports thick 360mm radiators on the top, bottom, and side simultaneously, making it ideal for users who demand advanced cooling solutions. Additionally, the interchangeable fan brackets and full cutout at the bottom add to its versatility. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, the Phanteks C8 handles extended ATX motherboards and RTX 40 GPUs with ease. One drawback to consider is its heavier weight, which could make moving or repositioning the case challenging. Additionally, while the tempered glass panels are visually stunning, they may require regular cleaning to maintain their pristine look. Nevertheless, the Phanteks C8 offers exceptional value for users seeking a premium full-tower case without breaking the bank. It's a strong contender for gamers and creative professionals alike. At number 2, we have the Phanteks Flex Pro, a full-tower PC case that combines cutting-edge functionality with a gorgeous walnut wood finish. This unique design element sets it apart from traditional cases, making it a visually striking addition to any setup. With 6 pre-installed PWM fans and support for up to 12 fans, the Flex Pro is a powerhouse for airflow and cooling. It even supports simultaneous installation of a 420mm radiator and a 360mm radiator, making it ideal for high-performance builds. The innovative iShift PSU 90-degree mount and dual temperature display add convenience and functionality, allowing users to monitor CPU and GPU temperatures directly. The removable cooling brackets and multi-directional vent design further enhance its versatility, while the high-speed Type-C and USB 3.0 ports ensure excellent connectivity. Whether you're a gamer or a creative professional, this case can handle extended ATX motherboards and the latest GPUs effortlessly. On the downside, the Flex Pro is heavier and bulkier than most cases on this list, which might make it less appealing for users with limited desk space. Additionally, its premium build quality comes at a higher price point. However, if you're looking for a case that blends style, innovation, and performance, the Phanteks Flex Pro is a top-tier option that delivers on every front. Claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Dark Flash DY470 Full-Tower ATX Gaming PC case. This premium case is designed for enthusiasts who demand the best in aesthetics and performance. Its unique angled panoramic glass provides an immersive view of your build, making it a true showpiece for your setup. The dual-chamber layout supports vertical GPU mounting, back-mounted ATX motherboards, and up to 2 360mm radiators, ensuring compatibility with the highest-end hardware. The DY470's design is not only visually stunning but also highly functional. The spacious interior accommodates GPUs up to 410mm and allows hassle-free cable management with Velcro straps and a tidy back cover. Pre-installed with 4 PWM ARGB fans, this case ensures excellent airflow and cooling performance. The dust filter at the bottom further enhances maintenance and longevity, making it a practical choice for users who value both style and function. While the DY470 is priced at the higher end of this list, its premium build quality, thoughtful design, and exceptional cooling capabilities make it worth the investment. The lack of an RGB hub controller might be a minor inconvenience for users who want centralized control of lighting effects. However, if you're looking to make a statement with your PC build while enjoying top-notch performance, the Dark Flash DY470 is undoubtedly the best choice on this list. It's the perfect case for gamers, streamers, and professionals who want a blend of elegance and functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.